Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will explain how the concept of moment in physics is applied in one of the most common tools in our daily life, which is the scissors. But before that, let me introduce our group members. My name is Miza Hazira binti Abdul Talib.
Hi, my name is Nurudina binti Muhammad Nazri.
Hi, my name is Naimah Hidayah Fizar Naim.
My name is Wanur Hadis binti Abdul Halim.
Moments play an important role in understanding how forces cause rotation. We often use scissors without realizing that this simple action actually demonstrates an important principle of statics and equilibrium.
This is a short notes about moment. In physics, a moment is the turning effect of a force about a pivot point. It can be calculated using the formula m equal to r times f, where m is moment, r is perpendicular distance from pivot in meter, and f is force in Newton. The unit of moment is Newton meter.
Now let's apply this to our example. A pair of scissors has two arms and two blades joined at the pivot, which act as the fulcrum. When we apply a force at the handle, it creates a moment about the pivot, allowing the blades to rotate and cut the material. The longer the handles, the greater the distance from the pivot, which means a larger moment is produced with the same force. That's why scissors with long handles can cut the tougher materials more easily because they give a mechanical advantage.
The concept of moment is not only found in scissors, but also in many daily tools like pliers, nutcrackers, and even door handles. Understanding how moments works help engineers design efficient tools, safe structures, and machines that reduce human efforts.
This is an example of arcane knowledge using our reasoning and understanding of physics to make our lives easier through science and technology. In Islam, knowledge helps us appreciate not only how things work, but also the perfection and balance in Allah's creation. Everything in the universe operates according to precise laws, just like how the moment of force allows balance and motion in our daily tools. Allah says in Surah Al-Mulk verse 3, He who created the seven heavens one above another, you do not see in the creation of the most merciful any inconsistency. So return your vision, do you see any flaw? This verse shows that Allah's creation is perfectly balanced and flawless. In the same way, when we study physics, the concept of movement, we see that every movement, rotation, and balance follows exact principles set by Allah. When the moment on both sides of a pivot are equal, the system is stable, reflecting the perfection and harmony that Allah has placed in all creation. Therefore, learning physics not only deepens our understanding of science, but also strengthens our faith, because it reveals the precision, order, and balance of the universe designed by the Almighty.
To conclude, the moment of force is a fundamental concept that explains how rotation occurs in tools like scissors. That's true. In addition, by understanding this principle, we can appreciate how physics contributes to better design, efficiency, as well as safety in daily life. Also, by connecting it with arcane knowledge, we realize that the laws of physics reflect the order and balance created by Allah. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this short presentation can help you understand how the moment of force not only explain motion, but also remind us beauty of balance in Islam. Bye!